Alright guys, as you can see I got a boat. Basically I wanted something I could pull behind the Ranger. Look at it, backed right up, it went in the water. Go duck hunting. I'm gonna try to do a little duck hunting. But and then I want to set lines on the river. So the goal is I'm gonna put some storage here, put a floor, and then get a motor for the river. So we're gonna take her on her voyage. Got my daughter with me, Alexis. She's gonna try to outfish me, see what happens. So stay tuned. Those Outdoors gave me these garlic scented night crawlers, and I seen in his video, his camping video, he caught a couple bluegills. We're gonna see if we can't catch a couple slab bluegill right here. Probably put a bobber on and let her eat and see what we catch. I'll set up this other pole legs. See what we can catch for bluegills. This place is absolutely full of bluegill. They fight pretty good. Fish on! Oh boy. Oh man. That's a fighter. And then he's in the moss. Oh yeah. Look at this slab. There's our first bluegill. Took like 3 seconds. That is a nice bluegill. Look at that boy. Hand comparison. 14, size 14 foot. That's pretty good. Last time I was out, I had the canoe and we had a hell of a time filling this up with water. So we're gonna go the other side, Lex. Well, we didn't tip the canoe, so we should be fine. Absolutely full of bluegill. Like 1.5 foot. I got a bite here. There he goes. He's on. Oh, what a fighter. Look at that guy. That's a fighter right there. Look at that, boys. Got the old son of a bitch. There's one. Well, it was. Got him. God dang, it's a fight. They fight. Look at that slab. Jesus. That is a good one. God. That is a Mac Daddy bluegill right there. Cast right over there where I was just at. We're using garlic scented night crawlers. I don't know if it matters or not, but it's my first time. Mills gave them to me. So I think it's more for like catfish, I think. I don't know. Well, our lures are scented. Nice bluegill right there. Get him in the old holding tank. Nothing yet? No. How worm you been on there? I don't know. You know. Just stop right there. Reel like that and then stop for a second. Probably the closer we get to the bank, the better, but there you go. Oh boy. Ripping. We're ripping. Oh yeah. Got him. On the old night crawler. That's a heaping. A lot.
Ouch.
He is peeing a lot. Still peeing. If you guys would give yourself a little bit more slack and stop reeling it to the top, it would help you a little bit. You're like in a weird twist. Just put the pull this way. Yeah, there you go. Alright, hold him up here. Hang on.
Like this?
No, lip him.
I'm scared.
Ain't got no teeth. There you go. Nice. That's a good one. There's one. Yeah, oh boy. No, cast towards this bank over here. There was one there. Jesus. He's a fighter. Cast right over there. Oops. Oops. Man down. Almost. That's a good one. Took my worm. Another bluegill. What's up, guys? We're just hammering the bluegill right now. Me and the daughter's out here in the new boat. She's getting redder than she was, but this is a nice pond. You guys seen this ice fish here? Just got some of these garlic worms from Mills outdoors, so figured come out here and catch some bluegills. Beautiful out. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about these videos and what else you would like to see. Catfishing's coming soon, so just gonna get this boat ready for the river. Oh boys, he's pulling hard over here. I don't know what I even have. Bluegill. He's down deep, real deep. Look, about pulled my pole in.
That's way deeper than where we got.
I just changed it. Yeah, another one. Another one. Huh?
Put it in the middle.
Ouch. Yeah. We got the boat out and gonna go back home and get these bluegills filleted. Worked pretty good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you can. I'll see you on the next video. Later.